Now I know why V Westlife was complaining about these Fujifilm Hi8 tapes. Take a look at this. This is the case that they come in. It's just a flimsy little plastic sleeve, and they really is flimsy. If I stepped on this once, it would be destroyed. How's that supposed to protect a tape? Like, if we look over here, you've got, like, this black Hi8 tape here. It's in a nice case. So too is the TDK that you see right here, and the Maxell. It really would not have killed Fuji to put it in a jewel case, but anyways, that's not the point. You said I was saying go over here, you can see my main computer, and a Lenovo Thinkpad T430. And you can see it's got a little bit of a problem. Yeah, something's definitely broken there, isn't it? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be saving everything that's on there. And what's in this box right here that we're going to be unboxing is a brand new keyboard. Alright, let's open the box. Nah, I'm not that pretentious. Yeah, I think I'm going to need two hands to do this. Maybe not. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. This isn't the easiest thing in the world. I probably shouldn't have done it this way. Probably gonna open up that way. Okay, I'm gonna need two hands to do this. Alright, so let's see, what have we got in here? Apart from a mess. Now, I would have probably done a little bit better on the packaging. Here's the actual keyboard itself. Looks to be pretty much identical to the one that I'm taking off. Should be the backlit model, that's what I asked for. Got a bunch more paper, there's no extra goodies or anything in here. Okay, so I think it's now just time. Is it the laptop? Yeah, it is. I'm going to install updates on that thing over there. And then we can go ahead and change the keyboard over. While we're waiting for that, let's go ahead and unwrap this. Hopefully on camera, and so that you can see it. Electrostatic sensitive device. Oh, really now? Oh, keyboard probably is such. Okay, so here's what we got. I'm trying to do this so I can see at the same time what I'm actually doing here. Not bad looking. We'll see if it's actually the correct piece. I hope it is. So I'm not looking forward to having to ship this back on the chance that it's not the right one. And I don't even know if I can ship it back if it's not the right one. I may be able to extricate the keys and use the keys if it is the wrong one. I've never done this before, so we'll see how this goes. October 2016 Security Monthly Quality Roll-Up. Apparently that's a new thing as of this month. If you look here, you can see that our system has been running 27 straight days. That's not bad, is it? Right, it looks like we're ready to reboot, but we're not going to reboot. No, instead what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just shut the system down because I'm replacing the keyboard. Okay, I'm going to give this thing a negative review for the keyboard replacement. And I know that I'm probably going to have somebody in the comments that is going to exclaim at me because, oh, you're doing it all wrong. Well, you know what? That isn't the point. The point is, this is the first time I've ever done this, and it's not looking easy. I don't care whether I'm doing it all wrong or not. You know, I could have gone and done the right thing and got the directions for doing this. But, you know what? I don't see the point. I really don't. I really just don't see the point. Alright, I'm going to have to get like a flathead screwdriver to do this. Because this shouldn't be necessary, but I guess it is. There we go. Not like that wasn't ridiculous. So there's the old keyboard, and the pieces are already falling off of it. Not much to see inside the system. It looks like if you want to replace the wireless card, you've got to use a mini card. So that's a good thing to know. So let's put the new keyboard in place. Okay, fire it up. And it's ignoring me. Why is the computer ignoring me, eh? Oh, did it come out? I bet you it came out. What the fuck? Okay, here we go. It's working now. Got a little upset with it because it wasn't actually working, but then I came to find out, hey, wait a minute. The keyboard actually came unplugged while I was trying to put it back together. Probably should have checked that first before exclaiming so loudly at it, but whatever. Hindsight's 20/20, so now let's see if I can put this back in place. We'll give this keyboard a good old-fashioned test. Now, there just remains what to do with the old keyboard. now. We'll see what to do with that in just a minute. But I think for now, this is definitely a pure success. You take a look at what we've written here. You can see for yourself. No more errors.